Hi, good morning. Are you having a tough time with your teenager? Even to have normal conversations, are you fighting constantly? Well, if you want to know why, keep watching. I'm Bimal Raj, and my company is Orange Talks, and I teach, and I've been studying parenting for over 20 years, and I teach parenting. Now, if you want to have a great relationship with your teenager, one of the first things that you need to do is understand what they are going through. And I'm going to cover just one point out of so many points, all right? But this is a very important one. I need you to know that they are neurologically challenged, okay? The brains are not developed yet. Science has proven that even though the size of the brain gets developed by age 5, the most advanced part of the brain, it's called prefrontal cortex, that gets developed all through their teenage years. And the interesting, why is this important? Because that particular part of the brain is called the seat of civilization, because that is what rules decision making, that is what rules emotional control, emotional response, that is what rules impulse restraint. Now, if that is all not developed, you can understand that they have no capacity in controlling their emotions, in controlling their impulses. Okay, remember that when they shout at you and or when they look at you, if you are angry and they look at you as if in a funny way, as if they don't understand that you're angry, please remember that they're neurologically challenged to understand and read your emotions and anger. And since they have no control over their emotion, they will react in a particular way. They will just burst out with raw emotions with no control over it. Remember that your brain is fully developed, so you are supposed to exercise restraint, not your kids. Don't expect your kids to be restrained at this point in time. They will come around by about 19-20 if you are dealing with them properly. So these years are extremely important, and most important is the way you interact with them, even when they lose their cool, even when they are shouting, even when they are answering back and not doing the stuff that you tell them to do, you ask them to do. All right, so please make sure that, remember, their brains are incapable at this point in time, and that is why they react in a very bad way at times. All right, thank you. I hope it helps. Please like the video, and I'll keep adding on more and more tips so that you can understand your teenagers better. Okay, just remember this one part whenever you're interacting with them. All right, and do comment about what you think of this video, and do share it if you think it's going to be useful. Thank you.